Hello, boys and girls of the internet. You're welcome, all right? So, what we're doing in this video today is that we'll be showing you how to make money online on TikTok, all right? So, basically, you all know what TikTok is, but yeah, I like to talk about TikTok a little bit before I start showing you guys what you're going to do on TikTok. So, on TikTok is more like a social media where you get to have fun sharing videos, right? Your content, you can actually share your content on TikTok, all right? But then there are ways you can actually make money on TikTok, and I'm going to reveal one of those ways you can actually make money online with TikTok. Now, I'm going to like try to relate it with Facebook, right? So if you're trying to make money on Facebook, all you have to do is reach the monetization requirements on Facebook, and then you get monetized. But right now on TikTok, all you have to do is with this strategy, all you have to do is work with an artist. All right, so you'll be working with an artist, and basically what this artist does is the artist release a music, and they want to get their music to become viral. So they actually release the music, and you take the music sound, like the music, and you add it to your video, and you upload it on TikTok. So thereby you get views and people get to know about their song, so you're working with them, they pay you for using their music, right? So, and I can actually pay you up to $300 per video that you upload, right? They can actually pay you up to $300 per video you upload, and you can actually make so much more when you upload more than one video. You upload like 10 video in a month, that's about $3,000 in a month by just using TikTok. All right. So don't just have fun with TikTok. Learn to make money online with TikTok. So I'm going to allow Mr. Israel to actually get on board right now and share with you guys all you need to know, like what you basically need to do, like the step-by-step guide. But before I do that, guys, before I allow him to do that, I'd like to introduce myself and introduce this channel. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one thing I do on this particular channel, The Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online, right? So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon. Now, what that does is that when I create this awesome video, you'll be the first to get the first time information, and you start putting into practice what I show on this particular channel. And yeah, so having said that, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Once you get value from this video, leave a thumbs up and share with your friends who are interested in making money online. So without further ado, let's allow Mr. Israel do his thing.
So the first thing you have to do is go to the menu side and click on, you see this creator tools, then click on work with all artists. And how do you work with artists? You become, you must be 18 years old at least, have more than 1,000 followers, pass anti-cheating verification. And after that, it takes to the promotion page that it says work with artists. Then you see get rewarded for videos using the artist songs. After that, they said the better your video performs, the more you earn. Now they say start creating and submit your video now. That means if you have 1,000 followers, you can actually just make money, good money from TikTok. Now, once you do that, it says set up your payment account. You can see this person is saying the maximum you can earn is about £300. Some are saying $300. So you can make as high as $300 from promoting the songs on your videos. Now you can see it says once you create account, you have to set up your payment account. So that's what we're about to do now. Now we go to payout setup, and after that you go to your payment method. Then once you do that, you can also decide to ignore, but for this purpose, let us just do the video once and for all. Now once you do that, you can see Nigerians are allowed, say country, region, Nigeria. Now you select the country, and then bank transfer, they charge 1.5% fee. So you have to add your bank details and you're good to go. But before that, you're going to verify the account. That's what we're about to do right away. So they will send you a code and you have to input the code. Once you do all this, you are good to go. Just input the code and your account will be verified. Once it's verified, you can start making money from TikTok.
And now that Mr. Israel has shown you what you must do to actually start making money online with TikTok, you should understand that before you get to see that button that allows you to start making money on TikTok, you must have reached a minimum of 1,000 followers on TikTok. Right? You must have gotten to have 1,000 followers on TikTok, and that is when that button is going to appear to you, and you can just start making money online. So the only requirement is get 1,000 followers. All right. So now that we've shown you guys how to make money online with TikTok, it's going to be a peace out, and I'm going to allow you guys to actually put into practice what I've shown you, and see you guys next time.